this just came in today from Dyna Performance, and it is our carbon fiber products right here. Real carbon fiber. This is going to the, what's the center console right here, and some of this is going to the side of the center console, I think, right? And of course, this is going to the Bronco sign in the interior. We are using this alcohol to put the carbon fiber part right here, or to clean this part right here with our paper towel. And we are going to be applying this carbon fiber piece that says Bronco in there. We are now peeling this off.
Whoa, that's nice.
I know. Oh man, the carbon really shines on this. Wow, real carbon. It's not the plastic one. Let's start from O and work ourselves down that way.
Yeah.
So we already just finished cleaning it with alcohol, wiping it down, and it's already completely dry. So it'll be like that.
Yeah.
Oh wow, that's cool.
Let me zoom it in. Yep, like that.
So I'm now gently removing the tape. Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
It sticks out.
There you go. Wow, look at that, guys.
Sweet. So we're done with that part. Just put a little bit of alcohol, and we're going to put carbon fiber right there.
Here is the carbon fiber piece that we're going to
Apply.
apply.
I'm peeling off the tape. I'm going to start from this part right here. There. Wow, it added so much character.
Yeah.
And the cool thing is this is real carbon. So we took the handlebar apart just to make sure if I can remove this rubber piece, but I guess just gotta add it on like that. This is how it's gonna be like, since I can't remove this rubber piece. It's one with it. So I already cleaned it, put alcohol and wiped it down and let it dry. So just peeling this off. Perfect fit too.
Yeah.
We're now gonna put this piece in like that. The only concern is if you're holding it, hopefully it doesn't fly off.
I know.
There.
That's nice.
Just finished removing the handle on the driver's side, and we're now going to apply this part now. See, look at that. Real carbon right here. Perfect. Finished peeling off the bottom, and we're now going to put this part right here. Perfect. Look at that.
So we now move on to the center.
Yep.
So we have this for the shifter and the goat mode.
Whew. There you go.
So we're now trying to mock
Yeah.
this part.
Yep.
The hard part of the install.
Is this big piece.
Yeah.
Oh man. But
And this part too, it's kind of hard over here.
yeah, it's tricky.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Right. So now we're in this part.
Yep. This is the tricky part.
It is tricky part because it's a bigger piece and has a lot of parts that needs to stick on.
So we're now gonna put this small piece there. So I put the last piece right there.
Not the last piece.
Oh, sorry, not the last piece. So I put this piece right there. Wow, so far it's looking good. That's how it is so far. One of the first pieces that we put right there. Here's the Bronco sign. Here's the grab handles. So I just finished unboxing this from Dyna Performance. This is the carbon fiber pieces that goes on the center console. And this is the instructions right here for it. So right now I'm just doing a test fitment. And it goes something like this. There you go. Perfect fit right there. And that's that piece. And then there's this other piece right here. That's gonna go like that. Whoop. And like that. So now I'm just gonna clean this part right here with alcohol. And then dry it and then apply it. So I'm now peeling off the tape. And I will now be applying it here. There, perfect. Then now I'm going to be applying this like that. I'm removing the tape. There, flawless. So this is all it right here. And then here, and here, and here. So we're trying out this new restaurant called Calaveras here in Newport Beach. And so far we ordered their horchata because we love horchata. Oh my gosh, their horchata here is so good. So I got me the wet burrito with red salsa, green salsa, and carne asada. And then she got herself some rice, beans, and some birria tacos. So we got ourselves the churro sandwich ice cream. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to taste this. It makes it easy because there's like a dent in it.
Yeah.